Well, it may soon be more difficult for people younger than the age of 18 to purchase cough syrup. The Ohio House has passed a bill requiring stores to start checking those kids' IDs.
It's in response to some young people abusing the medication to get high. 2 News reporter Dana Smith is getting answers about the scope of the problem.
The bill now goes to the Ohio Senate. A local pharmacist I spoke to today said he would welcome the new restrictions as cough syrup abuse remains a big problem. Some cold medications contain an ingredient called dextromethorphan, or DXM, which works to suppress coughs. Some teens, however, are using it to get high. In response to this abuse, the Ohio House passed a bill that would require stores to check IDs before selling the products, and people under the age of 18 must have a prescription.
Anything we can do to discourage kids, particularly the teenagers, from being addicted, because the cough syrup is a gateway drug before they go into something, and that's something that might cause catastrophic or death, or something that is fatal.
Pharmacist Nadum Yame of Zeke's Family Pharmacy pointed to the abuse of decongestant drugs like Sudafed, which can be altered to create methamphetamine and can create similar effects by itself.
And from there it goes into heroin, meth, and everything else. And whatever we can do to help our teenagers stay alive and drug-free, I think is something good in the right position.
Some pharmacies already require IDs to buy certain medications and impose limits on how many can be bought by a single individual. Dana Smith, 2 News, working for you.